guys, welcome back to my channel. Mary here at The Good Life with M. So my family and I were here at the Embarcadero Marina Park adjacent to Seaport Village, contrary to what I say here in a little bit. This is kind of the first of many excursions on our short trip here to San Diego, and what better place to start with than the calming, cool waters of San Diego, California. As you can see here, there are gray skies, and it's almost like we never left Seattle. Okay, my family and I are here at Seaport Village. We wanted to come and check out the scenery. There's stores, restaurants, and people just coming here to work out, walk their dogs, come with their families, and it's kind of a nice place. It's a little muggy right now. It looks like it's about to rain. I hope it doesn't, but yeah, we're just kind of here to get some fresh air. So it's our first day here in San Diego. My kids noticed these crabs, these little tiny crabs crawling all over the rocks. And if you look closely, as I've kind of zoomed in here, you can see that there's like a family of them just crawling around. I don't know if they're just drying off, chilling, but it was kind of nice to see the natural wildlife around us. So you can see my kids walking off in the distance. They are actually heading toward Seaport Village, which you'll see here in a bit. But there are a bunch of different families just flying their kites, walking their kids or pets. It's really great for all ages. So off to the side, you can see people have brought their bicycle cruisers, as well as vendors setting up their stands selling their goods. A lot of it was made to order. A lot of friendship bracelets, and it was kind of neat to see this and just some of the touristy things that were kind of all around us. And of course, here we are coming upon the Seaport sign welcoming all the tourists coming to the area. Of course, we took some photo ops just to remember our time there, as one would when they visit the place. And here off to the side, you can see that there was, I'm pretty sure that sand was put there, but they kind of had this like beach set up, and there were people just kind of sitting, taking time to eat their ice cream or whatnot. I thought it was kind of a nice touch too, to kind of go with the coastal community vibe. Walking further down the boardwalk, you could see these different vendors and their tuk-tuk rides, which was available for a fee, of course, and they were just kind of waiting there for tourists to jump on. And those that were actually riding down with people in them, they were outfitted with lights and they played really loud music, but most of the people there didn't seem to mind. Walking into the town square, that area, there were these paper lanterns kind of strewn above, and they were all in different colors, so it was very festive. And coming through, you can see this large fountain that we obviously had to have photo ops right next to it. Going in further, you can see that there are different shops, from gift shops to clothing stores, and then there's this merry-go-round that was enclosed in a building. There were also restaurants and little like food stands kind of all around. And then there were several banyan trees. I mean, I think that's what they were, but they reminded me of that big banyan tree in Maui. These trees were just absolutely beautiful, and they were just kind of the focal point of this part of Seaport Village. So you can see that there's a bunch of people all around, people of all ages. So this really is a family kind of gathering type of place. And as you can see here, our family decided to indulge a bit, and here are some photos of what we got. they were delicious. Coming to the end of the video, I hope that you were able to see something here that you liked. If you're ever in the San Diego area, visit this place. It's great for all families, for friends, for even a date night. I'm sure that anybody can find anything here that they'd find fun or that they would like. There are also places nearby that you can stay at. There are restaurants all around. It really is a great place to hang out. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and that you stay tuned for next week, because I will be taking you to the San Diego Zoo. And I really hope that you enjoyed so far, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye for now, guys.